In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against bots with friends in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a match against bots and invite your friends over so all of you can play together against bots of any difficulty. So first, you will have to invite them to a party or a lobby. This was actually recently fixed by Valve, so you are now able to queue into practice matches or even workshop maps with your friends. To my knowledge, this was released about 2 months ago, so it is something that they patched up. So if you go over here to your friends list, you click on anyone and you choose the option to invite friend to play, they will be able to accept and all of you will be on the lobby together. You will notice at the top right corner of the home screen. Once the lobby is set up, the leader will go over to play, practice, and then choose any of the available game modes. To my knowledge, casual works best, so if you don't want to have the hassle of maybe trying to set up bots over and over again because they get disconnected or they don't work, casual is going to be the best bet, but you can also try to use the competitive rule set or wingman. For this video, I'm going to go on casual, and of course you can choose any map. Once you load in, the people who are in the lobby with you should be connected to the server as well, and at this point you are now basically ready to play. Without going into too much detail, the bots will load in immediately and you are now ready to go. Of course, you can customize these bots. For this video, I'm not going to show too many commands, but one of the options that I recommend is that you kick all the bots, so bot_kick. And now what you can do is type bot_add and then space and then the difficulty. So for example, if I want to add expert bots, I'll be able to do bot_add space expert. By doing this command, I'll be able to load the bots in accordingly. And you will be able to add them to T or CT. And all that you have to do, as you can see, is type the command like this: bot_add space expert space T or CT, and they will go into the respective teams. This way you can change the difficulty of the bots. You can change the amount of bots by using commands like bot_quota, but like I said, because there's so many bot commands out there, I recommend that you do your own research and you browse through all of them. But as long as you have someone in the lobby with you, this should be enough for you to connect in the server and start playing against bots. Make sure that they were in the lobby before you queue up into any of the workshop maps or practice maps, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against bots with friends in CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.